creation by Nikita. Hi, Nikita.
Hey.
Okay, so this thing looks like this. That, okay. It's a little gate.
This.
That comes off. Let me see. Okay, so hold on. Let me turn this around so we can look inside of there. Okay, that's like a little compartment in there. And it has like his
Toys.
animals or whatever he wants to hide in there. So you can get in there from both ways?
Mm-hmm. Both ways.
So there's another part you can look straight through. Okay, you're gonna put it back together now?
I'm gonna leave it like that until tomorrow.
Okay, so
sometimes I take them off until they get stuck, and I have to put them back together. Do that all the time. And they still have to be back apart. Like very back apart. There's like dinosaurs.
those go to cover that.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be video number 2.
There's dinosaurs, lizards, snakes,
Hiding in there?
crocodile. Also, fish.
Okay, so that's the covers. Turn them, you can open. It's okay. Okay, turn it around. There you go. There's the other side. And you'll get video number 2 tomorrow. Okay, here's part 2. He's gonna put it all together. So turn it around. The whole thing, yes. Okay. Go. That opens. Nice. Okay.
Got a little problem. I'll repair it.
Got it?
No. Keeps doing that. I think I should put it piece by piece there. And let's see if it holds it now. And that sound you're hearing, it was Kai, my dog. He always jumps a lot of times. And he'll never stop. He's exercising a lot of times when he jumps.
Is that better?
Let's see if it works now this time. Come on, work. Work. There. And now.
Part 3.
Oops. These two are guns, and those ones that you see,
Okay.
those are bullets. One piece left. Oops. Come on. So, so when I put these four. Time to put it now. But the top of it, that piece is missing, but never mind.
Is that it right there?
No, this one is right here. And these two are guns, weapons.
Protecting weapons?
Yep, protecting weapons.
Nice. Good job, Nikita.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Get it out.
This is who lives on the inside. Dragons?
Those are dinosaurs.
Oh my bad.
These
Dinosaur.
two dinosaurs. This is a crocodile.
Mm-hmm.
Spinosaurus.
Mm-hmm.
Velociraptor. This is Stegosaur.
How about this one?
I don't know. This one, T-Rex. Spinosaurus is much larger than a T-Rex.
Which one is the Spinosaurus?
This one,
That one?
with 3 claws.
Doesn't look bigger.
It's because it's a toy.
Oh, my bad. Okay. Is that it?
Not yet. Here's 2 blue lizards. 2 red ones. Taking the whole thing out. There you see fish. Dolphin. A large whale.
Is that a whale or a shark? Oh, that's a large whale, you're right.
That's a large whale. Right, this side is a snake.
Mm-hmm. You made them a snake because you took off their
Arms, yep.
Why did you take off their arms?
I told you.
Mean.
I just told you.
Why?
Oops, there's some of the yellow ones right there. Here's the last lizards right here.
Yeah.
Not quite yet. Worms. Well, these are worms too.
Okay.
There and done.